On October 18th, the Kaiser Family Foundation released a new issue brief that looks at two changes on the horizon for COVID vaccines testing and treatment. The first is the eventual end of the COVID national public health emergency. The second is the depletion of federally purchased supply of products. It is widely expected that vaccines, testing, and treatment products will transition to the commercial market at some point in the near future. Up until now, a lot of these products have been free. Since the start of the COVID pandemic, the federal government has made vaccines, testing, and treatment free of charge to the public. This is because the feds have spent billions of dollars in emergency funds. Congress has enacted legislation with requirements for coverage by public and private insurers. And there's also been guidance and regulations to protect patient access and work toward equitable distribution. Many of the measures that we have talked about have been tied to that national COVID public health emergency. But the Kaiser Family Foundation warns that changes are ahead, most notably the end of the public health emergency and the depletion of those federal supplies. And this could mean access changes and challenges. For people that have insurance, it could mean cost sharing for many of the products. For people who are uninsured, there might be even more challenges. Cost might be the biggest barrier to seeking something like a vaccine. There are also concerns about sufficient supplies coming from manufacturers or even being stocked by pharmacies or providers. So let's just take stock of where we are right now. The national COVID public health emergency has been officially renewed effective October 13th, 2022 for an additional 90 days, which takes us to the middle of January 2023. Right now, vaccines and boosters are widely available and are free of charge. Anybody aged 6 months and older can get a vaccine. Anybody aged 5 years and older can get an updated booster. And COVID tests are still available in the state of Wisconsin. You can visit the SayYesCOVIDHomeTest.org website to order some free at-home COVID tests. You can also check out some testing sites in your community or at local pharmacies to connect to a test. In the description below, we give you a couple more resources on how to still find some of the free products available. We also link to that full issue brief from the Kaiser Family Foundation.